Silver investors need to see this because most people are only focusing on one thing, and that is the silver price. Now, in today's video, we're going to be talking about what you should be focusing on when you're stacking precious metals. Now, the price is only part of the story. The real question is not, is silver going to go up? It is, are you buying in the right way that actually makes sense? Now, if you live in the UK and you're stacking physical silver, it's not as simple as just looking at the spot price and clicking buy. You need to consider the premium. You need to consider that brand new silver contains VAT. You need to consider you have to pay postage when you're buying physical silver. You have to understand the difference between what dealers sell this stuff for versus what they buy it back for. So even if silver goes up, it doesn't automatically mean that every single silver purchase was a good investment. Now, this is why silver investors need to think carefully. You need to think about, are you buying recognizable silver? Are you avoiding silly high premiums? Are you keeping track of actually what you've been paying? And most importantly, could you sell it easily if you needed to? For UK stackers, Britannias, like the coins in today's video, are very, very popular. These are very well known, they're very easy to sell, they have a strong demand, and most importantly, they're capital gains tax free if you live in the UK. But even then, the price still matters. Just because it's a good coin, bought at a bad price can be a bad buy. And this is what a lot of people do wrong. They get excited when silver starts moving up and they rush in and they pay whatever price they can find silver at instead of shopping around. They buy whatever's available instead of sticking to their plan and buying Britannias. They pay too much. And then when the price drops again, they panic and they sell this stuff at a loss. Now, silver shouldn't be emotional. When you're investing into anything, you should take emotions out of it. Silver should be boring. You should buy it slowly and you should compare prices, avoid any hype, buy your stack over a long period of time. And remember that silver is not a lottery ticket. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about owning something real, something physical, something outside of the banking system, and something that can't be printed like fiat currency can. So before you go out and buy your next ounce, ask yourself, what are you paying? Can you sell it easily? And are you prepared to hold it for a long period of time? So let me know in the comments section, are you buying silver right now? And if you are you prepared to hold this stuff for a minimum of 10 years? If you enjoyed today's video and you like watching stacking videos and talks about precious metals, please make sure to subscribe and press that thumbs up button because it really helps my channel continue to grow. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.